Hey, what's up to all my doll babies? It's your girl Danica Mache, and today I am back with another video. Today's video will be featuring one of my loyal clients, Miss Quell. As you can see, her hair is already braided. She has dreads, so it was very quick for me to braid her hair down. It didn't take no longer than maybe 8 minutes to braid them because she has dreads, like I said, and they're very tiny. Well, not even very tiny, they're medium size. So yeah, and before we get into this video, if you are a new subscriber, please make sure you turn on notifications, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. All the products that I am using will be listed in the description bar. I will say that I am installing a wig unit from my company, the Raw Experience, which will be listed in the description bar as well. It is a 30-inch HD lace frontal, you guys. Yes, I am so excited to let you guys see the finished look. Trust the process, y'all. Trust the process, because I had so much fun installing this look. Not many people want you to style their hair. A lot of people just want a side part, a middle part. Me, on the other hand, I love to style. I love to try to do new things when it comes to my clients. So get into this video, y'all. And the reason why I am wearing a mask, y'all do know it is COVID, and COVID is really getting real out here. A lot of people are dying, babies are dying. I'm just trying to stay safe. I want my clients to stay safe. I'm still trying to make my money at the same time. So you guys, please mask up, Lysol up, do whatever it is to keep your money flowing. This is also a beginners friendly video, you guys. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing, installing, what products I am using, why I'm using it, please comment down below. With installing this wig, I like to install the back. Well, not install the back, but sew down the back. Not a lot of people like their hair sewed down in the back, but I also feel that a wig is much quicker than getting bundles, and it doesn't take a long time taking it out. And also, if you're a person like me, I keep stumbling on my words. If you're somebody like me who hates getting sew-ins and untaking out the thread and unsewing it and then cutting your hair, I advise you to get a wig because it's much quicker and faster to get installed and to take down. I am using Ruby Kiss cream foundation that I got from my local beauty supply store. If you are located in Salisbury, North Carolina, everybody know that Matte Flavors is the store that I go to for some of my products. If not, I am on Amazon, or I'm at Sally's, or any other store. Yeah. I also did use that same cream foundation for the lace frontal. I did bleach this lace frontal with BW2 bleach, and I also used 40 volume to get the lace bleach quicker and faster, because I did this the same day. Sorry, I did bleach this hair the same day of the appointment, so I used 40 volume to lift it faster. No, the hair did not fall out when I did that. If you are new to doing something like this, doing any type of installment with lace, do not do what I do. I advise you to use at least 30 on your first try, or at least 20. And when installing a lace frontal, I always use I always put at least 3 or 4 things of lace glue on the head before installing, just so I know that the lace will be secure once I do install the wig. Always blow dry. Always blow dry on hot and cold. definitely get into that HD lace. It's not even laid all the way and it is blending, you guys. Look at it. Yeah, we were over there watching a movie. When I say me and my clients love to watch a good ass movie, we be in here watching movies, staring at this damn TV, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. But we were watching some movie on Tubi TV, and when I say Tubi TV has the best movies on there, I know I'm off subject, but they do have the best movies on there. And I can't remember what we were watching, but when I figured it out, I remember it was like two sisters, and it was a foster sister with Latoya Luggett. If you can remember the movie, comment down below. You guys have to watch it. It was very interesting. Get into that motherfucking scout. I had to zoom in because y'all be really playing with your girl. Stop playing. Book me if you're in the Salisbury area. I am located near Charlotte and Concord. Your girl is killing it. But yeah, look at that HD lace, you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished product, for real. Stay tuned. If you are a hairstylist, if you are a hairstylist looking for some affordable, nice, and long-lasting hair tools, go to Babyliss. Is it Babyliss or Baby Bliss? However, a lot of people call them Baby Bliss or Babyliss. They are the most affordable flat iron, curling iron that you can afford that will last you some years. I do have the titanium Babyliss, the small plate flat irons that I was using for to curl her baby hairs. Oh, I know my grammar is off, but I was using that to curl her baby hairs. And my curling iron was a titanium, and those shits get hot just like them little ones. The outside of the little flat irons get hot as well, that silver part. So when using those, you just have to be very careful. And it did also come with a glove. The best place to get you some Babyliss or Baby Bliss flat irons or curling iron is Ulta. I got mine on sale. I do also have the regular flat irons, and they are ceramic. I think they were like $70. The curling iron that I also purchased was $50, and the small flat irons were like $30 or $40. I can't remember, and I got them all on Ulta. You can also pick it up at your local beauty supply store. And I know a lot of people can buy them on Amazon, but when I was looking on Amazon for them, the reviews were bad. Some people said that they stopped working. So I would say Ulta, or go to their actual website. I think they have an actual website. I'm not for sure. Don't get me the line. But I went to Ulta. Or you can go to Sally's. I think they have them in Sally's. Call me Big Purr, y'all. Did y'all really trust the process? Because I did. You guys, don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, because I definitely slayed this shit to the gods. And she looks so freaking beautiful. It's your girl, Danica Marche, and I am back with another video.